Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A04e. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. And now you can click open. And now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click it now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.